Next activity on scratch coding cards is glide from here to there. In order to perform this activity, we are going to use the earth sprite and the stars backdrop. And this is the instruction set that we are going to give to the earth sprite. Here you can see that we are using one instruction called glide for 1 second to this particular location, like x coordinate are minus 180 and y coordinate are minus 100. Further, they are telling you is x coordinates are used for horizontal, like going towards left or right, and y coordinates are used for vertical, like going up and down. If we look at the coordinates that we use in Scratch, so here you can see that x coordinates are going for horizontal axis and y coordinates are used for vertical axis, like going up and down this way. Further, we can see that the x coordinates here used are minus 180 and y coordinates are minus 100. So the value of x, that is minus 180, will fall somewhere here, and y minus 100 will fall somewhere here. Now the point where these two will intersect together is this particular point here. So the earth sprite will glide towards this particular point. Now, in order to do this activity, we'll open our Scratch application, and from the sprites library, we can search using the search box, and we will look for the earth sprite. And once it is visible on the game stage, we can delete the cat sprite as it is not required. Further, from the backdrop library, we can look out for stars, and we get multiple options. You can take any of the desired option that you wish for. Now is the time to give instructions to our sprite. So we will go to the events category and take the first instruction, that when we click on the green flag, so the earth should move on the game stage. So in order to do that, we will give the starting position to the earth. For example, x0, y0. That means the center of the game stage. And the earth is supposed to glide using this instruction, glide for 1 second to this particular location, minus 180 and minus 100. Now, every time we click on the green flag, the earth is going to glide on the game stage to this particular location. You can surely try giving different coordinates also.